Very thick. Oh!
Matt being a knob jockey as per usual, you know. Who would in their right mind stand in the middle of a duck pond other than Matt? And he's going down. He's gonna sink. He's gonna sink. Yes, he's gonna sink. Bye, Matt.
Oh, thanks.
Bye, Matt.
No, I'm okay. I'm good. I'm gonna go and see if I can find that thing over here. Oh my god. Oh.
His little nuptials are swolled up. He's got a fishing hook in it. He's got everything stuck to his bollocks.
What's that? Hang on. I found something.
Oh, he's found
Something.
He's found something. A cone. Perhaps he needs to put it on his head, like, and put it on his head as though he's a knob jockey. He's a knob, isn't he?
Why would someone put that in the pond?
Well, why would somebody that's fully clothed jump in the pond in the first place?
Because I'm ecological and I'm trying to find my future. Ah! Ah! I think I found the turtle! Ah! Ah! It's alright. It was a rock.
He's going to kill me what I've said on this video, you know. But you know what? I don't care. Because I'm going to put it on Facebook even if he don't. Yeah.